Hey guys, come check it out. Look what we got. A new hoverboard. You guys want to go check it out?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Nice, that thing looks fun. So we have the Gyroor Y1 off-road hoverboard. They sent this to us to test out. You guys want to open the box up and see what we have?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
Looks like the charger. We have a manual. And then the actual hoverboard. Let's pull this out and see what we have. So this is what we get in the box. The actual hoverboard, the manual, and the charger. So just some quick specs on this. It has two 300-watt motors that power it. 6.5-inch wheels. Has a speed of 8 miles per hour. Range of 4 to 8 miles. A charge time of about 2 hours. And how old are you guys?
6, 9.
And you're 9, so they say 6 years and older. So this is perfect for you guys. Max weight is 220 pounds. Are you guys both under 220?
Probably. Yeah.
Yeah. And it does have LED lights. Let's see. Oh, it turns on. Oh, that's really cool. And it's supposed to have Bluetooth with speakers, so we can hook up a phone. Yeah. Isn't that pretty cool? Mm-hmm. So I think we should just let it charge the 2 hours so it's fully charged, and then we'll maybe test it out. I do have a link in the description if you're looking to purchase one of these things. It so far looks pretty good, but let's test it out a bit, huh?
Yeah.
All right. So we have it all charged up and ready to go. So this is the front, and then this is the back. It does have this nice handle. You want to test out, see how heavy it is? Yeah, not too heavy at all. A 6-year-old can move it around pretty easy. All right, you want to turn it on and take it for its first ride?
Yeah.
Ooh. So he's driven a hoverboard before, so he kind of knows what he's doing. But if it's your first time, kind of take it slow. Maybe have some help from somebody. Oh, it's pretty fast, hey? Is it faster than your other one?
Yeah.
Cool. And we did pair it to my phone. It's really easy. You just turn on your Bluetooth and it connects. And yeah, the speakers sound pretty good. It looks really smooth. Should we maybe go test it outside?
Yeah.
All right, it's finally a nice day. It stopped raining. You guys ready to test this thing out?
Yeah.
Outside? All right, how do you turn it on? Just push that button. Nice. Need help getting on it? 1, 2. All right, let's head to the park. We got a bit of a hill here. See how it does climbing up this hill. Oh, nice. How was that? All right. All right, he wants to test it on the grass quick. All right, you want to try it? Yeah, it is a little wet. It's been raining a lot, but oh yeah, she goes on the grass pretty well. Nice. Don't go too deep. You don't want to get it wet. Cool. All right, we got some gravel coming up. You want to test it over this gravel? All right. Oh yeah, that works good with those big wheels on there. You can go pretty much over everything. Oh yeah, looking good. Woo! All right, let's go have some more fun. All right, your baby sister is out here ready for a walk. Who wants to give the baby a walk? All right. See how she does with the hoverboard. Oh, looking good. Wonder how that board looks at night.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Oh, that's looking really cool at night there. Do a little spin, there you go. Cool. All right, you wanna keep riding at night?
Yeah.
All right, let's head back to the daylight though. So we've been testing this Gyroor Y1 6.5-inch wheel hoverboard for about a week or so now. So what do you guys think? You guys like it?
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing about it?
I like the speaker. It's really fun to ride around and listen to the music.
So yeah, the speaker is really cool on there. It's easy to connect to your phone and it is pretty loud so you can hear it while you're driving. What was your favorite thing about it?
I like going fast too.
So you like how fast it goes?
And the speaker.
And the speaker too. So yeah, it's really easy to use. Like I said before, they're 6 and 9 and they can ride this thing no problem. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you're looking to purchase one of these. It would be a good gift or for your kid or your grandkid. Yeah, it's been fun riding this thing around. What do you guys think? 2 thumbs up?
Yeah. Thanks for watching.